This is my new electric coffee grinder. I bought it to actually grind up flaxseed. It's nice and compact. It's weighted, so it's not going to like tip over. Comes with a little brush for cleaning it out. The top lifts right off here. You can see the stainless steel blade. Pop it on. This is where you press it. It's got a nice little area here that you can wrap the cord around so it's tucked in underneath. Okay, I've got my flaxseed here. Just going to take a teaspoonful. Put it right in there. And now you can see that it has made it into powder. So I'd say we have success. I kind of made a little mess in here with this. But it works good, and I'm glad I got it.